In this video, you will learn how to build a Laravel complete authentication system. You will learn how to create the login, register, email functionality, email verification, password reset. Let me show you what you're going to build. So for instance, let me create a new user. So yeah, I create a new user. I call this Louis Sahar as a new user. Then I have displayed the mail at sahar@gmail.com. Sahar@gmail.com. The password 123456778. Then I put another password, confirm password 123456778. When I click on register, it will send me a mail for me to verify my words, my email. So watch what will happen. So you can see it has sent me a mail telling me, thanks for signing up. Before getting started, could you verify your email? So if I go to my mail, I will receive a mail. You can see a few seconds ago, verify email. When I click on the verify email, it will bring me to this place. They're telling me verify your email address. So once I verify my email address, it will take me to the dashboard. So you can see Louis Sahar has been taken to his dashboard. Now, this credential that we just created, if you go to your database, this your database is quite empty, nothing is there. But immediately I refresh this browser, I will see the user Louis Sahar, sahar@gmail.com. The email verified at this time, and the password is being encrypted. This is what you're going to look at. And now let me log in with this Louis Sahar details. So now that I've logged into the world, to the dashboard, I can log out. Let me log out. So I have logged out. So I need to log in with the user I just created, which is Louis Sahar. So here I come here and I say Louis Sahar. So I come here. Let me copy the email. This is the email sahar@gmail.com. So I'll come here. I want to log in with this user that I've just created, his credential. So come here and I'll say sahar@gmail.com. His password is 123456778. So when I click on login, it will take me to his dashboard again. So you can see it has taken us to Louis Sahar's dashboard. So what if Louis Sahar forgot his password? Password reset. Our password. Let's look at the password reset now. So let me log out and assume that Louis Sahar has forgotten his password. So I click on login and I click on forgot your password here. So it takes me to this place where I can put my email so that I will receive a mail to reset my password. So the email here is sahar@gmail.com. So I click on email password reset link. So you can see we have emailed your password reset link. So if I go to my email box, I should receive another mail. You can see a few seconds ago, reset password notification. So if I click this, you can see the mail from Laravel. So if I click on reset password, it will bring me to this page where I can reset my password. Now I'm going to put my new password. So I'll come here. My new password is 123456789 and 10. So I'll confirm that password 123456789 10. So my new password is 10. 123456789 10. So I click on reset password. Fantastic. You can see that for yourself. Your password has been reset. Now let me log in. Let me log in with my old password. So the old password is 123456778. So let me log in with the new old password and let's see if it's going to allow us to log in with the old password 123456778. If I click on login, I should get an error message. You can see these credentials do not match our record because I'm trying to log in with the old password. Now let me log in with the new password 123456789 10. So I click on login. Fantastic. So you can see that it has taken me to my dashboard, Louis Sahar dashboard. So these are what you're going to learn in this tutorial. So guys, let's get started. Now that we have successfully installed Laravel 12, let's now install Breeze. Breeze is a package or a starter kit that enable us to do login, register, email verification, and password resets. So let me show you how to install the Breeze package. So I'll go to my terminal. This is my terminal. Let me raise it up so that you can see my terminal. Let me key this terminal. So I will come here and install the Breeze package. So first I need to install the composer. So I'll install in composer that will enable me to run the Breeze package. I'll say composer required Laravel Breeze. Breeze, sorry, that was spelling B. R-O-E-E-Z-E. Then hyphen dev. So composer require Laravel Breeze. Then I'll press my enter. We're going to wait for the composer to run. Okay, we are through installing the composer that will enable us to run the Laravel Breeze package. The next thing is to install the Breeze package itself. So how do I install the Breeze package? Let me clear my terminal so that you can see what I'm doing. So to install the Breeze package, it is PHP artisan, then Breeze, then column, then install. PHP artisan Breeze, then install. So you press enter. I'm going to ask you some questions. Which Laravel stack would you like to install? For this tutorial, I'll be keeping it simple. I'll use Blade. Would you like the dark mode? I don't need the dark mode, but you can put yes if you like. Which testing framework do you prefer? And let me just take the PHP units. So with this now, we install all the dependencies, all the node dependencies that is needed to run what the Breeze starter kits package. So let's exercise patience as it install the dependencies needed for Breeze. Okay, good. It has finished installing the Breeze package. The next thing, let us now look at the browser if there will be some changes. Of course, this is my project. Whenever you install Breeze package, it comes with some default folder like the auth folder in the route, and it also comes some folders under the views resource. You see auths. You can see my confirm password, forgot password, login, register, reset password, email, and verification. So it comes with these files by default. So let me go to the browser to see what has changed. Now this was what we had before, but if I refresh this browser, you're going to see it will create two buttons called login and register. So let me refresh that. Oh, sorry, I've not started my server. So let me come here and start the server. HP artisan serve. So if I go back to the browser, you can see that I now have the login button, register button. So when you click on register button, it takes you to a registration page. When you click on the register button, you can see this is a default Breeze register page. If you click on the login, take you to the default Breeze login page. You can see this is a default Breeze login page. This is pre-made for you. So the next thing I want to do, I need to run my migration. Right now, we don't have a database table for this migration yet. So I will go to my .env, which is my environment variable. By default, Laravel Web uses SQLite for their database, but I prefer using my SQL. What I will do, I will change this SQLite to my SQL. Then I will uncomment this because these are the credentials for my SQL. I will uncomment it. So my database table, let me just make it, let me change the name to, let me say, if I call it authentic, let me just say let me just call it authenticate underscore DB. Or let me just say, underscore DB. Let me keep it simple, authenticate underscore DB. Okay, so this is what I have as my database name, and this is the username root by default, no password attached to it. So what that means is that if I migrate my tables now, I'm going to if I migrate the tables, I will have the database name called authenticate underscore DB. So let me migrate my table. So I'll open a new terminal, but I won't be killing this server each time. So let me see. Laravel. So I want to run a migration. So to run a migration, you say PHP artisan migrates. PHP artisan migrates. So when I click on enter, it will tell me, would you like to create it? Think yes. Say yes. 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 Beautiful. So it has created this table for me. if you go to my SQL database now, you should see this table. So if I refresh this, you can see authenticate. Let me close this so you can see the authenticate underscore DB, which is this. Let me click it. So you can see this is what we had after we migrated, and this is the users. By default, there's no user. There's no data for the users by default because we've not registered any user yet. And again, the purpose of this is to show you the login, register, email verification, and password reset. So let's now register a user. Before we register a user, because I want to send emails or mails, I'll use a package. We need a package called Mailtrap. So I need a package called Mailtrap. So yeah, I'll come here and open my mailtrap.io. Now, this is my Mailtrap account. You will need to open this account. You need to open your own account, put your email and your password to create your own Mailtrap account. The Mailtrap is used to testing mails if they actually works or not. That is what we use the Mailtrap for. So I will come here and click on sandboxes. Then click on the inbox, my inbox. Currently, I don't have any mail. These are my credentials actually: the host, the ports, username, the password, and the auth. So I'm going to populate this with in my .env environment variable. So I will put the host. If you go to your environment variable, now this, if you go to your environment variable, this is my .env, which is this. Under the mail, under here, you put the host here. Change this 127 with this sandbox.smtp.mailtrap.io. Then for the log, you take this log and use SMTP, meaning that I want my mail to follow the simple mail transfer protocol. That's SMTP. So you're going to change this, and also the port is 2525, which is also one of the ports they gave us here. Then the username, so you copy, I copy this my username and replace it with this none. Get that now? So I'll do that. Once I finish doing that, then I'll come back. Okay, I've finished inserting my credentials into the .env environment. I'm done with that. So once you are done with it, the next thing is to go to your models. So I need to go to my models to configure my models so that you can able to receive mails. So where do you get your models? Click on the app folders. Then inside it, you see models folder. Then you have a user model by default. So I want it to be able to receive mails, or to able to dish out mails across using the SMTP platform. So here I will come here and say implement in the class, in this user class, I'll say implement. Then I'll come here and say must verify email. Must verify email, and it has to be imported actually. So what this will do, what this implement must verify email will do, it will enable a user to what? To verify their email when they try to register. If not, they can't log into the what? They can't get to the dashboard. So let me save this. I'll go save all, and let's try what we have done so far, if it's working or not. So here I refresh the browser. So I want to register a user. Now take note that our user, you can see our database table is empty. Our users table is empty, nothing is there. So I want to register a user now. I click on register. So let me call this user John Doe. Name John Doe. The email, let me say johndoe@gmail.com. johndoe@gmail.com. Password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Confirm password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So I click on register. So you can see what it's telling you. Thanks for signing up. Before getting started, can you verify your email address by clicking on the link just emailed to you? You can see it has just emailed to us. So you can come here and go to your Mailtrap. So you can see a few seconds ago, we received this mail, verify email. Click it. So you can see it's coming from Laravel itself. So you can customize all this. I have a video for all this customization and everything. You can click my page and check those videos. So please click the button below to verify your email address. So if I click this button now, it will take me to my dashboard. Let me click it. Beautiful. You can see John Doe. I have logged in, I have registered, and it has taken me to my dashboard. So if you go to your database table now, you refresh this now, you should be able to see John Doe details here. Fantastic. So you can see name John Doe, the email johndoe@gmail.com, email verified. You can see the time and the date it was verified, and the password is encrypted by default due to the Laravel Breeze package. So now I have this dashboard. I've registered, and it has taken me to my dashboard after verifying my password. So I can come here and log out. So you can see I have logged out. Now let me log in with that my credential John Doe. I come here, I log in. So here I put my login details johndoe@gmail.com. So I put the password which I log in with 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and I click on login. Fantastic. So you can see that everything works perfectly. I was able to log in because I had already verified my email. So I can log out, come back here, click on login. So let's say I forgot my password. For instance, let's say I couldn't remember my password. I can click on forgot your password. So it brought me to this place. I'll put my email, which is that same John Doe at gmail.com. johndoe@gmail.com. So if I click on email password reset link, it's going to send me a mail to reset my password. I click it. Fantastic. You can see we have emailed your password reset link. So if I come here, I should be expecting another mail. You can see another mail was sent to me. Reset password notification. So I click it, and you can see the mail we receive. You are receiving this email because we receive a password reset request for your account. So if I click here, I will be able to reset my password. Click on this. Now I have to reset my password back. So the password now, so let me put another password. What password should I put? Let me put 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Let me put 9 and 10. Okay, let me put another, confirm it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, so I have 10 as my password now. I click on reset password. Okay, beautiful. Your password has been reset. So now let me log in with my former password to see if it's going to allow me to log in now. Let me log in. I'm on the login page. Let me refresh that so you can see that. So let me log in with my former password. johndoe@gmail.com. So I come here. I put the former password, which is 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I click on login. I should be getting an error. You can see these credentials do not match our record. You can see that. So now let me put the new password. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So this should take me to my dashboard if I click on login button. Fantastic. So you can see that we are able to completely do the password reset, email verification, login, and registration. So guys, if you find this video helpful, please try to subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to our videos. Try to subscribe, comment, share, and like our video. I'll see you in our next episode.